Hey folks, James with Souders Hardscape, also out here at a personal project at our house that we've done. Very excited to have completed it as of the last few days, and particularly today with the In-Lite crew. Yes, Lee was kind enough to come out here, drill these holes for the Starry Night feature here, lay it all out. So yeah, Lee, thanks for coming out today. This is great.
Absolutely, James.
This all started about, I don't know, 3 months ago or so. Started talking about redoing our deck here and quite a few different components here. But one of the things that I always like to see on every job is lights. There's just something about lights that just adds a touch to it. Yep. I mean, it's like you don't have lights, why? Yeah,
they're the important part that always gets let go, isn't it?
Yeah.
It seems how it is.
Yeah.
You know, and lights, I mean, we wouldn't be out here right now enjoying this property and this great feature that you built without them.
Best time of the night when it cools off a bit.
Exactly. It was, what, 90 degrees today? We're cooled down to about 80. We can sit out here and enjoy it without sweating.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So anyway, I reached out to Lee and said, hey, what would you recommend for a project like this? And so he sketched this up, and we've got some lights here lighting up the grill. We've got the up-down lights on the posts. We have the step lights, or the under the bar lights. We have those all around here. Outside here we have some of these sways, and then we have the Starry Night pattern here. So tell us, Lee, what was all the motivation for making this recommendation?
So I think the biggest thing is, you know, having the structure and having the living space that, you know, you're going to be using almost year round if you can. I mean, having the fireplace, you can come out just about any time of year. Having an outdoor kitchen's nice, and being able to use it with the mini scope ceilings and not having to worry about whether you can see what you're cutting up out here at night, if you're having a late dinner, if you're having a late gathering with people. The functionality aspect of it is huge, because if you can't use your outdoor living space, it's not really worth much to you.
Yeah, no, I'm really happy with how it all turned out. One of the things that I wanted quite a few lights from different angles, different vantage points, or different parts of it, but yet I was like, I know I'm not going to want these lights all on all the time.
Absolutely.
And so I was thinking about this. What do I do? Switches, you know, under the sink somewhere. How am I going to make some lights go on and some stay off? And so we were talking, and he recommended using the Smart Hub. So the Smart Hub has 3 different zones.
Yep. So the Smart Hub 150 is our smart transformer. It has 3 separate zone compatibilities. It has the app on James' phone, and he is able to turn them off. He can turn off the pergola lights. Go ahead, James. So you can turn off pergola lights, and he can turn off the cap lights in one zone, and then he can also turn off the lights on the floor as well, and then he can turn them all back on just by tapping his phone in 3 different zones, and they're all back on. And the nice part about it is, you know, as a homeowner, that's super simple to use. You don't have to worry about trying to set a timer. You don't have to worry about trying to find the switch in the dark. Everything's right there on your smartphone, and let's face it, everybody these days, for the most part, has a smartphone. The other nice part about it is, as a contractor, you know, we don't like messing with, you know, the homeowners' phones or anything like that. And with the app, you're able to generate a code. When the job's done and you have all the lights set up, you can say, you know, just like you did with me tonight, James, you shared the code to me, and I was able to turn your lights on and off just the same with my phone. So a lot of very good functionality that comes with the Smart Hub, and ease of use.
Yeah, to be honest, this was the first time that I helped install In-Lite, and
you did a lot of this on your own,
Yeah,
right?
the Smart Zone is what sold me. It's that's what I want. But I will say the connectors, putting
Easy
everything
locks.
in was very, it was very simple. It was just very easy to use. So very impressed with what you guys brought to the table here.
Awesome. I'm glad to hear it.
Yeah, I'm just very excited with how this all came together. So thanks a lot for your help.
No problem,
Appreciate it. Thanks, folks. Check us out on our website, soudershardscape.com, or on Facebook, Instagram, or other social media sites.
You can also find In-Lite at inlite.com or in-cider.com. We're also on Instagram, Facebook, and social media websites as well, including YouTube. Take care, guys.